Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to practice with teen numbers. So we are looking at page 247 in your iReady book. The top says, look at the example, then solve problems 1 through 5. The example says a teen number is 1, 10, and some ones. 11 is 10 and 1, 1. Teen numbers 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Those are all of our teen numbers, and I know that 11 and 12 don't say teen like 13 and 14, but they do have 1, 10, and then some ones. So when they say 11 is 10, that means there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 1, 10, and 1, 1. Okay? Looking at down here, circle the 10, write the total. 10 and 2 ones is, let's see, let's count the 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 red ones, so we're going to circle the red ones. And then there's 2 ones. What number is 10 and 2 ones? 12, right? Okay. Circle the 10, write the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to circle the red ones. 10 and 3 ones. What number is that? 13. You guys are so super smart. 13. All right. Circle the 10s, write the total. Go ahead, give it a try. Which color blocks are there 10 of, the red or the blue? The red, right? And you counted them. So we have 1, 10, and how many ones? 1, 10, and 4 ones. And what is 10 and 4 ones? 14. You guys are so smart. All right. What I would like you to do is to try these bottom two on your own, okay? This one, remember, you have to write how many ones there are. This is all I'm asking you to do. If you feel like you want more practice, you can go to page 245 and, you can't see, 245 and look at the model it and do the develop for more practice. Okay? You guys have a great day.